The veggie thief. Skunk was excited about the new community garden. She planted a variety of vegetables in the small patch she was allotted. Skunk took great care of her garden. She watered it every day and once a week, pulled out all of the weeds. Soon, the first of her vegetables were ready to be harvested. Skunk eagerly opened the gate to the community garden. I can't wait to pull my carrots. I wonder how big they'll be. Skunk stood over her garden and looked at where her carrots had been planted. My carrots! Someone picked them! Skunk stomped out of the garden. Later that day, Skunk went for a walk around the neighborhood. By this time, her anger had turned to sadness. She walked right past Rabbit, who was lounging on a comfy chair